At Brother Machinery India are glad to be a part of the machine tool industry by our brand Speedio. Speedio writes itself on its overwhelmingly high performance and high functionality by being compact. We are happy to ally with Machine Maker in organizing the grand event Manufacturing Maestros, an initiative to celebrate the growth of Indian manufacturing. The schedule is planned on 30th May 2025 at Hotel Gokulam Park. As a part of this event, Brother Machinery India nominates the customers who have made an immense impact on the industry and to help them grow on the global platform. Welcoming you all for the event, and we will meet there.